You have to go. So what do you think? You didn't go through the proper security.
Because somebody told me to go out that door when I need to come here. They ready to run from me. My dad just died today.
January 5th, 2025. Her father died that morning. Her flight got canceled, and she walked out the wrong door. An airline employee told her to use it. The real question isn't whether she was a threat. It's whether that instruction changed anything the law required. It didn't. Under Public Law 107-71, the Aviation and Transportation Security Act, TSA owns that sterile area. Title 49, Code of Federal Regulations, Section 1540.107 is clear. No one enters without screening. No exceptions.
Yeah, you didn't go through the proper security.
Because somebody told me to go out that door when I need to come here. They ready to run from me.
I know, but you just can't do it.
You want?
Yeah. All right, no big deal. You just go back to
It is a big deal. My dad just died today.
I know, but
You don't know.
So where do you want to go?
I wanted to rebook my flight.
You got ID? Let's get your ID. All right, give him your ID. I'm trying to ask one more. Green jacket and this black jacket. Nah, we're 25. I just need. I'm here with the form. I'm gonna definitely go to the checkpoint. Hey, Spike. We're gonna bring her back over there. No, we're gonna walk her back over there. Okay. Come on, let's start walking back over there. Yeah, you are. You're gonna walk back over there. Come on.
Come on, we're being nice about this. You have to go. So what do you think?
Information to go out that door.
So what do you think?
Have to go back over there.
What do you think is going to happen? You think
I don't
we're just
know,
going to walk away?
No, I don't think
Alright,
that. But I
you
think
have
somebody
to-
gave me the wrong information, so
Well,
I
that's
did the
fine.
wrong
I don't know who
thing.
gave it to you.
I'm going to tell you exactly
Alright,
who
tell
did
me.
it. Okay, it was a lady with black braids. She told me if I wanted to get rebooked, I had to go
Alright, but
out
that's
that door.
alright.
And then as soon as I crossed over, he said, no, you should have stayed
But the
inside.
lady with black braids can't override the airport security. Right? So
Perfectly
come on,
true.
let's go.
So why am I going back that way if I never should
You
have
got to
went
go
out
back
that
because you
door?
got to go to the screen. You
Anyway.
have to go to the
I've been
screen.
screened. I've been through TSA. I've done it.
No, but once you leave,
I'm not from here. No, I boarded here.
How much would you have to drink today?
I didn't have anything. Oh my God. Are
All
you?
right, so let's start walking this way.
I need to verify if that's you now. So let's go back to the checkpoint.
yeah, we got to go back to the checkpoint.
so we can verify that's you. Okay? Because we
I
don't
want
want
to
to
rebook my flight. I
Let's
just
start
lost
walking.
my parents.
All right, so let's get this over with so you get on your flight. You have your boarding pass?
Yes,
What time is your flight leaving?
They canceled it.
They canceled it?
Yes.
All right. So you're not going to miss it then, right, if it's canceled?
I want to rebook it. I'm not from
Oh, all
Florida.
right.
I don't know.
All right, but you're not. It's canceled, so you'll book another one. You got to just go back there. All right, let them just.
Thank you for not being a dickhead like him.
Oh yeah, no one's being a dickhead. It's
started to push
but when
me.
that
Yes,
happens,
sir.
I know. But when that happens, it's a big.
You have a
thing in
boarding
the
pass with
airport.
you?
Yeah, it's a boarding pass.
And let me get her ID, please.
Ma'am. Miss. Your ID.
He needs it. You're gonna.
Can you hold this for
She
me?
needs it.
Thank you. Hello? Yeah, I'm bringing her to the checkpoint right now.
Open this already?
Yeah, it's already processed.
But you got screened earlier today.
Yeah.
You came in. So,
I
yeah.
came in through Virginia.
But you must have had ID then, right?
Yeah. Give me a second to find it. Today's been a very hectic day.
SO-178 test. SO-178 needs to be tested. DM shift to test this SO.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it back. Select this screen, right?
Not yet,
I just need high.
Let's take a look at the checkpoint.
All right, come.
Now listen to what the officer says around the 1 minute 50 mark. He says you have to go, and I don't think you're going to walk away. Florida versus Bostic, 1991. The Supreme Court said an airport encounter is consensual only if a reasonable person would feel free to just leave. Those two phrases aren't a physical command, but they're not an open door either. That's the gray zone Bostic sorts out. To be fair, it's not a magic words test. Officers don't have to say, "You're free to go," for an encounter to stay consensual. What matters is the whole picture. Her ID's in the officer's hand. She's in a secured corridor. 2 officers are right there. Would she feel free to walk away? If the answer's no, that's a detention. Under Terry versus Ohio, a detention needs a real reason on the record, not just understood internally. They had the reason. She exited the sterile area without screening, and it's on camera. The problem is nobody said it out loud. Rodriguez versus United States, 2015, says any stop has to stay within the scope of what justified it. Once you go past that mission, the authority's gone. Here the mission was re-screening. Her ID clears, she passes the checkpoint. That's it. Anything beyond that point needs a new legal basis.
I'm sorry to hear about your dad, by the way. I lost my dad earlier this year.
That's real quick. Where's my ID?
Yeah, she took her ID. Okay, come on. This is her.
Okay. Yeah. Give him my.
I'm not.
The bag has to go to the X-ray.
And then what? Still taking care of it.
Bird strike 5 mile final, second to land runway. State AC trailing smoke. Press 104851, 3 numbers 148. Telling 743. Doesn't 178. 3021, can you just send my network? Yes, sir. They use a generic address for 4150 Southwest 12 Terrace. It's a reference to the Gulfstream B Bird Strike final, and it's DC trailing smoke. Rescue station.
We don't even need that.
We're waiting for that update from the
She's going to be in there.
Okay, wait, before you go to the rest of the screening first,
we also
can I
have
hear
to
from
pass
TSA?
out respondent
Margot, can they screen for TSA?
Terminal 5.
Do there. Can we? Yeah.
She said they still got a screener for TSA.
You still got a screener for TSA? Okay, they still got to give her a full body pat down.
The officer handled this well. She told him her father died within the first 20 seconds. He didn't ignore it, didn't make it weird. He kept moving, got her ID, coordinated the escort, and near the 5-minute 50 mark, he said he'd lost his own dad this year. That moment probably did more to keep this calm than anything else in the footage. That's not a technique, that's just being decent. The one gap is he never said on camera why the escort was happening. If this footage ever gets reviewed, that silence is the only thing that creates exposure. Her story held up. She named the employee, described her specifically. That's a credible account. It just didn't change the outcome. Around the 2-minute mark, she called one of the officers a name. Nobody blames her for being upset, but it slowed down the one process she needed finished. For travelers, an airline employee can't override TSA screening. They don't have that authority. If someone at the gate directs you to a door, ask a uniformed officer first. Rescreening takes way longer than that one question. And once you're out of the sterile area, the rule kicks in automatically. For officers, when your language shifts from, "Would you mind coming with us?" to, "You have to go," say, "The legal basis on camera." One sentence. Not because Miranda applies here, it doesn't. But an unspoken basis is an undefended one. Saying it takes 3 seconds. Not saying it costs more. Got a stop or an encounter that deserves this kind of breakdown? Drop it in the comments. Rights only matter if someone's willing to look closely at them. Thanks for watching.